Welcome to vibeflow AI, the new updates we implemented. It's, as you know, here is the workflow. Why we did this workflow just better and to get more efficiency in workflow to generate movies or pictures. Because we just recognized doing a workflow of many pictures and videos to get them close in a story. We saw that it's a really big potential to upgrade some new features. So imagine you want to generate a movie like this. It's a 35-second movie, and you see just the workflow, how it looks like. So that means otherwise you have always to generate, and you have like little boxes, and when you start here, samples here, and you're somewhere up here, you don't recognize in the normal tools, you don't see the work process going on. So you can always change something if you have something to change in this prompt or in this area of image. You're always actually fast to change something. So what we did now is new workflow, then plus you generate a prompt, you add a prompt, and then we have croc image. You connect croc image. If you don't add an image here, you can also add an image, a reference image, then it can only generate one-to-one squares. If you disconnect and you make a prompt, you can generate several formats. Okay, so if you do that, and just say man waiting the bus, okay, and we do a vertical, and then we're gonna generate this. So imagine always the blue one are prompts, green one are images, and red is movie. So we have here one, man waiting the bus. So now from here, of course, I can go and check, because you can generate more images, of course, with Nano Banana, Croc, but we go to Kling directly into movie. Now you see this is our new upgrade. Kling 3, it's huge about realistic movie, cinematics movie, really great. Also here you add a prompt, and then you can add a second image if you want, of course, like a reference image. Now we have only one. And then we have the multi-shots here. The multi-shots, this means this connects just quick the first time. This means you can add several shots, see? It's always prompt, image, prompt, image, prompt, image, till 15 seconds maximum. But you can change the second however you want on the several section. Okay, so that's then you can add like this and like this, and next one, and then so far next image, and so forth. And you have like 3 references, 3 images that you can generate a work or an animation. So then you can delete this. I don't need the shot, I need only this one. Just quick, I'll go here, man waiting the bus, and watch and says it's too late. Okay, Then we do also portrait, and you have here the possibility to go pro higher resolution or stay standard. It costs a bit more than you see here. How much does it cost? 300 credits. It's cheaper than other AI tools, and you generate here. It's generating, okay? This is a new upgrade, and you can work like processing this kind of workflow several times in the same workflow. Of course, when you go here, if you're going to change, don't change storyline at the moment. When you're generating, stay here or let the windows open. I'm gonna wait. So what we have as well here is the tag. Tag is like something you can use for like making groups think if you need it, like to put something together, you know, like this highlight, like highlighting that, you know, if you have too many notes open, then you have like titles. You can add here a title, you see, and you can add or change colors, and you make like sections of what's happening, you know, so you have an overview what's going on your process workflow. Then we have here, like, I'm gonna call this test and save. Okay, now it's called save test. Sorry, this is in here. Now I can go here. This is also new upgrade. If I say test, it's gonna get me this area we have now here. Okay, it's saved also in the history. What I'm gonna show you later, it's because if you want to go back, sometimes if you have more history, then you can go restore. Like there is a possibility that you decide what to save. It's not saving automatically all the history what you're doing, but you can do this non-stop, like how much you want. So now it's here. We do it big. See?
It's too late.
So really realistic, okay? Now we do next is this one, Framecut, okay? Framecut is also new. It takes the same image or video in the next node. Also here 9 to 16. Then you have here like the time, and so it's looking the watch. So, and I say cut frame. Okay, it can be because you need sometimes a start frame and an end frame to do more videos. And now here we go. Here is okay. After this, I have again a frame from the movie, because this I can download as well, of course. And then I go here. So and next again Kling. Start frame from here. You know what I mean? So then you can do again a new section for the next frame start. So that's also the possibility now, like endless generating image, generating movie, generating start and end frame if you want, generating again, and going like this process how long you want to do it. This is the new upgrade for vibeflow. Use it, it's very helpful. If you get into it, it needs just a bit, like half an hour time to understand a bit, but when you got it, you can do cool workflows here. Okay, bye.